Have you ever looked at a stock and thought, yeah, this looks like a great opportunity? But then immediately another thought comes in. I wish I had a little more money to invest in it. That's a pretty common problem. Sometimes your conviction is bigger than your available capital. And that's exactly where MTF comes in. MTF stands for Margin Trading Facility. Sounds complicated, but the idea is actually simple. It allows you to buy eligible stocks by paying only a part of the total amount yourself. The remaining amount is funded by Axis Direct. Think of it like this. You bring in a portion of the money, Axis Direct funds the rest. So you can take a larger position than your available capital would normally allow. Now suppose you have 1 lakh. Normally you can buy stocks worth 1 lakh. Simple. But with MTF, depending on the stock's eligibility, you may be able to buy stocks worth up to 5 lakhs. MTF may make sense for investors who have a strong conviction in a stock, understand market risks, want flexibility with their capital, regularly track their investment. If that sounds like you, MTF could be a useful feature to explore. Axis Direct has a dedicated MTF section. Inside the Trader app, you can discover MTF stock ideas recommended by Axis Direct. You can also browse other eligible MTF stocks. You will see how much margin you need to bring in, how much funding Axis Direct provides, your active MTF positions, funded amount, pledged shares, all in one place. Here's something worth knowing. For every new MTF position, digital plan users get 0 interest for first 30 days on the funded amount. And after that, interest is charged at 10.95% per annum. That's roughly 0.03% per day. Simple, transparent, easy to track. MTF is not extra money. Axis Direct is funding a portion of your stock purchase, and interest is charged only on the funded amount, not on the money you invest yourself. And like every market-linked investment, there are risks involved. So before using MTF, always ask yourself, do I understand the risk? Do I truly have the conviction for this idea? If the answer is yes, MTF can be a powerful tool. So that's MTF in simple terms. If you want to explore it, open the Axis Direct app and check out the eligible MTF stocks today. And if you found this video useful, stay tuned for more simple investing explainers from Axis Direct.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.